Let's continue working on the assignment that we had started on Monday. We had started working on the login page and the register page. That doesn't look right. Need to fix that. And also on the profile page, I believe, right? If you logged in with Alice, we did navigate to a profile page without ever leaving the index page, right? We're staying inside of the index page, and we're replacing the content of the login page, throwing that away, right, and replacing it with the profile page, right? So let's we worked on that. We implemented that by refactoring several of the pages, the profile page. We refactor the register page, the login page. We refactor it so that they are no longer full-blown HTML documents, right? Instead, they are snippets of the code, right? They're views instead. They're templates, we call them, meaning they're not meant to be rendered or interpreted independently of each other, right? They're meant to be embedded inside of something bigger. Yes, right? We also implemented several controllers for each one of these pages. We implemented the login controller and the profile controller, right? To deal with events such as logging in, right? Clicking on the login button, which search for the user, for a particular user in our collection of users, and when they found the user, it navigated to the profile page. Yes, right, for that particular user. And then in the profile controller, we were able to parse the URL parameter for the user ID, and then find the user from the array of users, and then once we found it, send it over to the scope, declare on the scope so that it could be rendered on the template. Yes, right. So we had implemented the navigation here for the application. We have declared the controllers, the configuration, and the module, right? All in one single file. So we took a lot of shortcuts on Monday. Let's revisit this and start organizing it. Obviously, we don't want to implement everything in one single app.js file. That would make it impossible to maintain. Instead, we're going to break it up, right, and start applying several good practices. Okay, so let's do that next.